Hello and welcome to this brand new series of lectures. In this section, we will be developing a currency scanner app.
Canada, $20. China, 20 yuan. America, $20.
And big thanks to Patreon for this support. We have been able to create incredible content, explore new ideas, and take this channel to new heights. Your contribution have made a real difference in helping us and grow and improve.
Canada, $20.
Using this app, you will be able to detect banknotes, and on detection, it will speak out the banknote name. After developing this app, expanding is very easy. After completing this project, we can add multiple new country currencies without writing a single line of code. We will be just updating the image reference library and data containers with the new currency images. And these are the main highlights of this app project. The first one is creating a XR image reference library and detecting a banknotes. And second is detecting a specific banknote and showing its name. And third is scriptable object data containers to add banknotes dynamically. And fourth is adding more currency using separate data container for each country. And the last one is adding an audio capability to the project, so it will speak out the name of the currency on detection. We will be developing this project from scratch and step by step. I will be presenting you these series of lectures in an interactive way. We'll be highlighting the important parts in the lecture, and I will be explaining all the new things in the code. I have covered mostly basic in the first section, where we have developed the AR dot game. In this section, I will not be getting into too much in the basic detail. If you are new, I would highly recommend first you watch the section 1. And of each lecture, we will be testing the build and see the progress. We have developed the last project on Android platform using the Windows machine. And of course, for testing, we also switched our project to iOS. So we will be developing this project on iOS platform using the development machine MacBook Pro M1. So you can have a multiple flavors of development environments. Let's start this exciting augmented reality project. And I see you in the next lecture.